All right, so what do you see behind me here? Let me explain to you. See this lighter shade of wood? That indicates it's new wood. Do you see this darker shade? That indicates it's older wood. Why do we have a lighter wood and a darker wood next to each other? Well, this is the new wood, this is the old wood. We have a system that's called sistering in framing. This is a way to kind of increase the ceiling height. That way we can give the clients the 9 feet or 10 feet ceilings that they want. In addition to that, there will be a second story above. So how did we do this and what did it take us to get this done with the most structural integrity? Let me explain to you. As we were taking out the old subfloors, subfloor means the plywood that you see over here. Once you take that plywood out, you kind of analyze, you evaluate, you see how the wood is underneath. So when we were removing the plywood, we saw the plywood coming out so easily, which kind of showcases that it's rotten. So we got a little worried because this whole side was rotten, and we said the best way to do this is actually removing this wall and putting new plywood in there. So the right way to do it is we called one of the city officials. We had him come evaluate. He kind of agreed with us. So what we did was we removed piece by piece, or section by section, I should say, the 2x4 wood. This is called 2x4 wood. And again, on the floor that you see over here is called plywood on the subfloor. So 2x4 is used, or 2x4, 2x6s are used to, frame up the houses. So we took it again, section by section. We put new plywood on, and we put the old 2x4 wood, and then we sistered it with the new 2x4 wood. And this is technically not allowed, but certain cases, certain special situations, the city inspector will come and evaluate, because the goal is to build a house, give the clients the best results possible. And if we took a shortcut on this and we didn't replace the subfloor correctly, then later on when the city inspector comes and tries to final a building, they're going to notice these issues. So it's important that, again, you pick the right team, and I emphasize that in all my videos, because a lot of our clients, they call us from previous builders or folks that are not on site, and they have fancy social media videos and all that, but you don't see a single video of them on the site explaining. So our approach, what we've learned in this field is, if you educate your clients on what we're doing and how we're doing it, the trust is formed. So it's extremely important that trust with our clients is formed. They really give us a whole project and just can be at ease. And that's what we take pride in. It's a seamless experience. And if you reach out to any of our previous customers, and we have many references, they will tell you that with the SOJO team, from signing the contract to finishing the project, and even post-project support is always there, and it's a seamless experience. So again, if you want to know more, learn more, and see more, follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team.